Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how to add a calendar view to Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. To create a calendar view, click the plus new page in the lower left corner, and let's maximize this. Click calendar in the menu under database. It looks really plain right now because there is no data in this. And this is the view right here, so we can also add different types of views. Choose plus new database to insert a full calendar. Now you will have a full view calendar. Your calendar view will display your tasks by days. And as you can see, there is some other options here. So it's up to you to play around with this for a few moments, and then you can just use a good template for you. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it's did, you can click the like button. That helps a lot. Thank you and bye bye.